Jobe anyeme ko Kpeshie plug nkenya ba ko no wana get nko no pa enyoko me domo bie no pa ne Kpeshie ameyo money yon bie ne wa tale blue wo fan CEO of Becca Enterprise no more than che shiami no tumo ko kwaji na metu Kpeshie ama ba Kpeshie plug no wo kan ba na send ba fio bie afa recently nto ake this year no ne ona ka me fe donation ko Kpeshie police station ni ameke wa ajeme no inake ameke ya wo neighboring community ni nungwa she neke luchumo ne it's worth talking about because je mo femo ni ke na ko eke wa community e she wo numu ne ke le na she je le pe ba yi e ba extend a help ni ekola ke strengthen security system e community em she nkan ba gbasa ne fi Kpeshie plug no mass money ame ha wo into e woni ne ke no ko ne ya no ekola emergency wo best MC ni o Kpeshie Kpeshie MC Washington o ye mi ni atu ne ke no ko ne o fa ne ba no gba o no ko fi o ye event ni ya no ne
yeah manga mo fe mo mene ke Kpeshie plug also manga onupa ife ni amenkwe wo Kpeshie ma mu fe Ghana ma mu fe ke woda mo bi mene wo nyele ifon be film yake be san ike inbox ni Becca Enterprise and event. We are into rentals or rent your canopy, saying sound system, trusses, PA system niji no do what like a spinning machine where your foreign ones cannot fair no. When it comes to our security right here in Kpeshie, a lot of people are complaining about our security. Today there is a criminal act here. Tomorrow there is a armed robbery case right here. Even what company about our shop, but we never give in. We still, pushed forward to see what God has for us. And today we are here to, give back to the community what God has given us and the community. So I'm here with my boss, Becca, the CEO himself. Masumo ni ledenche hu ekpopo egbemi. Fio dani working what is ahead of us.
No more ogbomo wi mo mi e tun akesin about reading a shop down ni ke moko ye society na about reading shop definitely blame people have security system in your community ami she okay wa ajeme no na get security and on is still focus am no niji o motive behind enhancing the security in the community.
Okay. Manga mofia mo yeah plug no on the question ni aba jumi it was a painful act. Security be visibility is one of their problems, and they have a lot of problems. But we are thinking that when we tackle one part of it, which is visibility, and only one face signboard there, one face the 3D one, only so light in Anya. If there is any case, abanya so that is the inspiration. Okay. The whole community.
All right. And Kpeshie Greater Accra the police government institutions come at least where institutions they need help and police for a penny there are more to come.
Yes, it's a stepping stone.
Okay.
We've started with Kpeshie, and then we've gone to our neighbor's side, which is Nungwa. We are going to do tomorrow. We have more. Okay. The community should watch out for us. So far as they are also helping us for our work to grow, we also make sure we give back to them. They should watch out for us. More development is coming from us, Becca Enterprise.
All right, MC Washington, we'll see you every finishing. Me know you know after
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are humbly inviting all of you to join us tomorrow while we officially launch or unveil the 3D signpost that we are donating to Nungwa Police Station. That is the Kpeshie Divisional. It's going to start at exactly 1:30 p.m. We are calling on everybody. Come support us. We are not asking you to come and donate. Just come and support us so that we can unveil this to the community. What funny, what chair, what denche, what president, National House of Chiefs, president, Niji Greater Accra National House of Chiefs president, Niji nungwa manche denche eba agbene wadenche gbobu wulomo wadenche wogamashi wulomo onukpa overlord yes leun eba ike cabinet femba wo onukpa inije national headquarters they are also coming. Ghana National Police TV is representing. Kpeshie plug is also representing. Don't forget wo your nukpa kome ye Kpeshie nile no fe no ni youth alo mokoba fe no ba chi obenkele no mo ekpopo yicho niji wodenche wo ubedi ben manche Kpeshie ubedi ben manche yes ni jata obrimpon the first leun eke eba neba support woke police ni yo Kpeshie nungwa spinters la many bank wo fair member na mebawa no wo fe donation fair and watch out. Chris Becca Enterprise has other surprises for the community. Don't forget, we are the best rental company right inside Accra. Energy.
No, you made a statement like you are not asking anybody to come and donate, but me to my CEO again. CEO, neke nutumo no chwone ensure she jebo pe jimokone ye company eteshine. She mini bon oko o fellow business allo entrepreneurs ni amayo mane ni amwa mentuni to mabononi sabita fa che amena fie wa mede at least ni bi pe community nsani kamukuna no ko ba forward ne ba help mini advice on her neke entrepreneurs ni your community ne.
Yeah, your impact in a income ye nutumo mi efe. Yes, I think it's a good thing. Okay, nyumo wabo alo ye environment mini wabo ni onuchumo ya no. You need to also give back to the society. Bona. Okay, if you balance. Okay.
We see you and you are no Kpeshie. Kpeshie ode ka bope ka at least I am a PA community and they need help. Schools PA ni sa tabita vla je ko temi important je say na town op ko be ojina ke mani parents ko me na me afford ke o ye fio ni bo ba ne o ke support ame o ba ne o ke ya Kpeshie plug no yo be won ke ko ba share word ni won na ke any share word ni wo ba ne we extend help to help the community o ba ya forward channel ni wo chono no ke ya forward o ba ya ne bo amode ni nye supporter Chris Becca Enterprise. Chris Becca ye Kpeshie gone school no ke o share ofori matma say a rental anything rentals decoration no feno na ke few events for Chris Becca e mi habu Chris Becca o maso mo ni nye share ni na make phone online ko ni kam kunta wonya at least ni nye share ni Kpeshie plug no.
Yeah, often one number the 0244 75 4374 0244 75 4374.
You be anyame waka Chris Becca e ba sham wo nya wo fi hokua ye nungwa police station na Kpeshie divisional commander ne Chris Becca ya donate 3D signage ham at least get no problem no to police station if it clear e habu onya waka me Kpeshie divisional command never buy a Kpeshie plug